Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make old-fashioned chicken noodle soup. First, let's create a rich, flavorful broth. Place a whole chicken or bone-in pieces in a large pot with water, carrots, celery, and onions. Bring it to a gentle simmer and cook for at least 2 hours. This slow cooking extracts all the wonderful flavors. Afterward, strain the broth, reserving the chicken and discarding the vegetables and bones. This forms the perfect foundation for your soup. Now let's prepare the main ingredients. Shred the cooked chicken into tender, bite-sized pieces. Next, dice fresh carrots, celery, and onions into uniform, small pieces. In a clean pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and sauté these vegetables for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. This step adds a lovely depth of flavor and texture to your soup, making every spoonful delightful. It's time to bring everything together. Pour 4 cups of your homemade chicken broth into the pot with the sautéed vegetables and bring it to a rolling boil. Add 2 cups of your favorite egg noodles and cook them according to package directions, usually about 8 to 10 minutes, until they are perfectly tender. Finally, stir in the shredded chicken and season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Your delicious old-fashioned chicken noodle soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle generous portions into warm bowls. For an extra touch of freshness, you can garnish each serving with a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley or dill. This comforting meal is perfect on a chilly day or whenever you need a little warmth. Serve it alongside some crusty bread for a truly satisfying experience. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.